Good morning. This lesson is on dealing with foreign drawings. Okay, as you can see, this is done in millimeters. So I want to dimension everything in inches. So I'm going to change the dimension style to architectural. I've already preloaded these just for this sake. You can open one of my templates and pull a dimension on something, copy it, paste it into a different drawing to use one of my dimensions if you like that. That's what I've done here. So I'm going to set architectural as the current dimension. Okay, so I'm going to pull my architectural dimension and see what this actually is. My current dimension scale is set to 1. So you can see how much larger they've drawn it than actually 94 millimeters. When you go to the US version, SAE, they're metric because they just draw, if they want to draw something 25 millimeters, they draw a line and they say 25. If we're doing that in the US AutoCAD and you draw 25, it'd be 25 inches. So, but AutoCAD doesn't decipher inches or millimeters. You have to tell it what it is. So it's just going to draw everything to that scale, 25, whatever that is. Okay, so they drew it to 94. Well, 94, when you go into US format, is 7 foot 10 because it's 94 inches, not 94 millimeters. So we've got to do a scale here. So I don't want to interrupt anything already done with this drawing that I've downloaded for McMaster-Carr. So I'm going to copy it over here. Plus we want a reference to see what's happening. So I've copied it. Now I'm going to go into the scale command. So scale, and I'm going to scale this. And we want to do a reference. But it's asking us to specify a base point, which I have to do first, sorry. So I specify the base point, and now I want to click reference. Okay, so what is our reference? Our reference is that this drawing was done 25.4 times too large. So 25.4 is what I'm typing in and then enter. Okay, so it's asking us what is the new length? It's going to be 1 of that 25.4. Okay, so now we've scaled it to SAE, from metric to SAE. So let's see. I've already set my dimension style. So let's see what this actually measures out to. So you can see there's quite a bit of difference here. Okay, so you want to verify one of these numbers? Let's verify this one. Wait, 2 3/8 is easier to convert into decimal, right? So let's take this one, 2 3/8. And they're saying 60 millimeters. Okay, so let's open up the calculator. And say 60 divided by 25.4. There's our 2 3/8. Or close, 375. So we're 13 thousandths off. But it's rounding it off. So that verifies that the scale was correct. So now you know how to use scale reference. Let's look at another metric drawing that they've converted down to inches for us. Let's see if let's set to architectural and put my dimension in here, which I've already preloaded. Let's see what this is actually drawn at. So their scale is correct. So we have to do nothing on this one. Because sometimes they'll call out inches and it's still drawn in metric, so you'll still have to scale it. But that's it. Oh, let's take a look. When you see this obscure line, what that shows you is gives you X-ray vision, and you can actually see through the part. So you're looking at this outer wall right here. That's what that's showing you. So this is slightly done better than this pulled handle drawing. But both of them give you enough information to do a cutout. So if I want to generate a cutout for this, I'll need to do that intersection. So I need this intersection, I need that hole cut out, and I need the bolt locations, the screw locations. So I'll need the intersection of these screws. So with those two intersections, I've got this cut out, and I've got my screw hole locations. That's it for today. Thank you.